In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is checking to see if I can go ahead and replace my cigarette lighter fuse from behind the glove compartment. You know, they say that it's over there, and I just want to take a look, make sure that it is. Because if it is, I can go ahead and not deal with the cigarette lighter. If it is, I can go ahead and not mess with cigarette lighter. So I can just go ahead over here and replace the fuse. So let's check it out. Looking for F7. Says dash with dashboard, power receptacle, 2 battery. I'm assuming that means it goes straight to the battery. I don't know for 100%, but either way, F7 and F6 are the cigarette lighters. Of course, they're not going to say cigarette lighters up here, but yeah, F7 and F6. So that's where I need to start at. And F7's F6, F7, which is, so there's 6 and 7 right there in that little corner. So let's try to see if I can pull this out, find out how it looks. Alright. Okay, so you can see that joint is popped in there, so this is the culprit. If you look at this one, I move my hands out the way, you can kind of see how that's connected on both sides. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this back. It's supposed to be and right below, right in between these two blue ones. Just push it down. That's it. And now I shouldn't have any problems with my lighter getting actual power to this, you know, lighter right here, or this power receptacle, as they put it. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully this is all that needs to be done. I'm gonna go ahead and check some of these other ones, make sure that they got power as well. I might as well go ahead and check, make sure this joint has power. All right, so and this over here, turn the ignition on real quick. I got power. I got power in here now. All right, so I did it. That was it. I'm done. Fairly simple situation. Like I said before, a lot of different fuses over here. So if you're just looking for where the fuse box is in 2014 Cascadia, this is also a DDR13 engine. DDR13 and DDR15 engines are usually the same, close enough to it. So yeah, it's probably the same thing on a D15 as well, Detroit diesel. So yeah, I guess that's it. If you like the video, if it helped you out, leave a like, and I'll see y'all in the next one.